Battlefield 6 won't launch because of Secure Boot. Here's the fix you need in 60 seconds. First, a quick warning. Every motherboard's menu is different, so this is a general guide. You'll have to find the specific options for your PC. Restart your PC and mash the Delete or F2 key to get into your BIOS. From there, you'll need to find the Secure Boot menu, which is usually under the Boot or Security tab. Once you find it, simply set the Secure Boot option to Enabled. Then hit F10 to save your changes and restart. The game should now launch without any issues. That's it. Battlefield 6 should now be good to go. What other games are giving you trouble? Let me know in the comments.